Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today in this video we'll talk about the MAT 2021. Guys, only last attempt is remaining and that is nothing but the June attempt. May month attempt, I already made a separate video on the same. Guys, now you have to target for the June month. Remember guys, this is the last attempt for the MAT 2021. As we don't know when Maharashtra MBA CET exam will be conducted. So guys, this is the big opportunity for all of you to give the MAT 2021 June attempt, because lot of top business school accept the MAT ka score. So guys, don't ruin your preparations and don't waste the time. Let's prepare for the MAT 2021 any mode, the PBT mode, CBT or the IBT mode. So guys, stay tuned with me to know about the revised schedule for all these modes. And before moving further guys, Manwar launches the crash course batch which will be start from the May mid, and it has the capacity of only 50 seats, in which you will get the live interactions, you will get access for the ebooks, you will learn to the various shortcut tricks, all your doubts will be solved into the live classes, you will get access for the recorded videos with respect to each particular topic, you will get access for the topic test, the full length mock test, the separate WhatsApp group will be made where you can easily share all your doubts and you can easily interact with each other. Overall 10,000 plus questions will be solved, and definitely you will get the mentorship by our mentors. So guys, don't waste your time, book your seat now, call on 8828581455 or you can visit to the manvaedu.com/MBA entrance. So let's move to the official website first. So this is the schedule for PBT exam, the paper based test. Last date for the online registration is 24th of May, availability of admit card 26th of May, and test date is 30th May. Okay, now after that the computer based test, last date for online registration is 7th June, availability of admit card 10th June, and test date is on 13th June. Now what exactly the revised schedule with respect to the remote proctored internet based test? So just click here. Now this is the schedule with respect to the IBT, the internet based test. So the test will be carried out on these respective days on 30th May, 2nd June, 4th of June, 6th of June, 8th of June, 10th of June and the 13th of June. On these respective timing slots, last date for registration, the respective dates are mentioned here, and the issue of the admit card. So guys, if you are choosing the IBT mode, kindly go to the frequently asked questions as listed here. So you will be familiar what exactly the remote proctored IBT mean, okay, how you should prepare for it, what are the requirement, how should be your internet connection, what should be the specifications, how you should prepare for the remote proctored IBT, how should you set up for the test, seat or workplace. So guys, go through all these frequently asked questions, so you will definitely get lot of ideas and you will be familiar how exactly you should prepare for the IBT mode. You can watch the demo videos on the official website. Just come here, see here, you can take the IBT mock test here. You can see the candidate experience guide from here, or you can watch the video of IBT candidate experience here. Now guys, here you got all the information about the PBT, CBT, IBT. Now if you want a preparation for it, if you are self-preparing, then where exactly you will get the boosters to crack the MAT 2021. So come at manvaedu.com, then come to the buy online section, click here on MBA entrance. These all are the respective programs, the full course, book study materials, mock test and the sectional wise courses. Click on full course show packages. Now these all are the respective programs for the respective exams. Here it is the MAT 2021 program where you will get the video lectures plus handouts. Just click on view details. Now in this you will get 293 video lectures and 83 handouts. Lot of data guys, which is 100% compatible with the MAT syllabus. Now if you are looking for the study materials, just click here. You can order the books from here, or you can enroll for the ebooks also. You can also enroll for the separate ebooks section wise. And the most important one, that is nothing but the mock test. Guys, click here on add to cart to enroll for the 156 topic test and the 2 full length mock test, because mock test is very important guys, where you can analyze yourself at which particular stage you are. And if you are lacking in any particular section, guys, just click here on sectional course. You can enroll separate for the GK and current affairs, for logical reasoning, English, group discussion and personal interview. You can enroll for the quantitative aptitude, DI, DS and DC, and you can also enroll for the GK boosters, 3000 plus questions based on the static GK and the current affairs. So this is all from the today's video about the MAT 2021, and to boost your preparation, these all programs are yours on the Manwar platform. So contact us for live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock, GD, VAT and interview or the mentorship programs. Call on all these respective numbers, or you can visit to our website for all exam updates and the notifications. You can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or you can join our Telegram group. So all links are mentioned in the description. Kindly check check the description, and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel Manual MBA Entrance. So this is all guys, thank you very much, see you in the next video.